welcome back. Today is November 7th and it is 11:21, and this time change has really got me all discombobulated because like it feels super late. I've been working ever since I dropped Kaylin off at Singers Club. She's in the Singers Club in her school. So on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I have to drop her off like an hour and a half early. So yeah, after I dropped her off, I came home and ate breakfast and went straight to work. Now I did just finish filming a video for this look, this hair. Get into it. No, but seriously, I just finished filming the video for this, and now I'm about to make some juice, some fresh juice. And I wanted to film it because I've been making a lot of different types of juice and recipes and stuff, and I've been putting it on Instagram, and a lot of people are like, you should make videos about this. So I'm gonna make one. And I do have a juicer now. Where is it? Where is it? Right there, right there. I have a juicer now, one of my sweet, super sweet, didn't have to do it, but she did, sweet viewers, Melissa, you the bomb, you the bomb. She sent me a juicer, and I'm so grateful. I've been putting it to use like nobody's business since I got it. So I'm gonna show you guys how I make my green juice. And in my green juice, I had a Granny Smith apple, a Gala apple, no, a Honeycrisp apple, cucumber, spinach, lemon, and celery. I believe that was all. I'm gonna have to go back and look because I did save it on my Instagram. And if you want to see that juice or whatever, just go to my food highlights on my Instagram because I have some juice recipes and other different food things in that highlight. So yeah, y'all, my arm hurts. I'm holding this DSLR, which I should have taken the battery pack off and just put this. That's what I'm about to do. Hold on. So yeah, I just took off my battery pack. It is what was making my camera so heavy. It was hurting. I was getting out of breath already. So yeah, I took my battery pack off. And if you don't know what a battery pack is this thing that you stick up into your battery compartment on your camera, and it has two batteries on the inside, and it makes your battery life last longer. It works one battery at a time. So this is a lifesaver. If you want to be a photographer or a videographer, get you a battery pack. So yeah, I done took that off, so now I can get on into it because it ain't making me out of breath no more. So I'm about to go ahead and make my juice and my new juicer and show y'all how I do it. Well, I won't have no cucumbers in it because I guess CJ ate them all. He likes cucumbers, like he's a cucumber fanatic. I can't eat them, I have to drink them. So I'm not gonna have cucumber in it, so we gonna see how this turn out. Let's go ahead and do this. Okay, so this time it's not green juice, obviously. I couldn't make the exact juice that I made the last time because I don't have all of the ingredients from last time. As y'all can see, I put blueberries in it, so I'm gonna see how this tastes. I'm hoping it's good, cause child, look. And it's still good. Oh my goodness, y'all. Even without the cucumber, it's bomb. It is so good, like, Got me pacing up and down my kitchen. But yeah, I put a Granny Smith apple, a Honeycrisp apple, half of a lemon, 2 stalks of celery, some blueberries, and some spinach and parsley. Bomb. Okay, bomb. Also, while I have y'all attention, I wanted to talk about something. I've been thinking about doing a vegan for a week experience. I don't want to call it a challenge, because when you attach the word challenge to something, it seems more like a trend other than something you're trying to turn into an actual lifestyle. So I don't want to call it a vegan for a week challenge. I'll just say a vegan for a week experience, because y'all, I'm not getting any younger. If you don't know, I am 32. I'm not getting no younger, and my body is just doing a lot of things that it didn't used to. Like, no, but seriously, like, I feel fatigued a lot. I hardly have any energy, motivation to do anything. My body just feels sluggish and weighed down and just full of absolute crap. Honestly. My body just does not feel good, and I know 100% that it has to do with the junk that I'm putting into my body, and I want to remedy that. Like, I don't want to, like, I want to do this 7-day experience just to see the difference in how I feel, and then I want to take it long term and turn it into something that is just my lifestyle. Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I have been watching a lot of vegan channels and looking at a lot of vegan recipes for a long time, like years. Like at least a year and a half, I'd say. I've been watching a lot of them, so I kind of have an idea of the kind of things that I would want to eat. The hardest thing for me, honestly, is going to be giving up coffee. And in the long term, I don't want to give it up completely, but I do want to lay off of it some, because I drink it entirely too much. Like, I can drink probably 3 cups a day sometimes. Not every day, but there are days where I drink like 3 cups of coffee, and that is terrible, because coffee is so acidic and it will really throw off your hormones, your pH balance. And for women, that is bad, because with all that, like with throwing off the pH balance and your hormones and stuff, comes a lot of reproductive problems, fertility problems, just your overall health, womb health, vaginal health can be thrown off. Like, you can develop smells and just all kind of different stuff. So I really want this to be something that I do long term, but I want to do this 7-day or a week vegan experience just so I can come back and share with y'all like how hard it was, the struggles I've had, because I know I'm gonna have some, especially in a house where I'm the only one that wants to eat like this. Like, CJ talked about going pescatarian, but I honestly, as much as I love seafood, I honestly don't even want to do that. Like, I just want to go full on vegan. Like, a lot of times when I eat meat, I just start to feel sick to my stomach while I'm eating. Like, the thought of what I'm eating makes me sick to my stomach. And I just wanted to share that with y'all, because I know a lot of y'all, I have a lot of people that follow me on Instagram that are vegan and vegetarian, and I know I will have help. I will have a support system in this, so I really wanted to share it just in case there's anybody else that wants to do it with me. I don't know the exact start date that I'm going to start doing it, but I want it to be soon before myself talks me out of it. Look at my juice, y'all. Look at those colors. Look at that. It's good. And with the juice, like, I don't want it to be where I do this experience and then I flush all of this junk and gunk out of my system just to put it back in there, you know? I want to start drinking more. I said this on Instagram too. I want to start drinking more fresh juices as opposed to store-bought juices, and especially coffee, because coffee, like, it is addicting. I'm not even gonna lie, it's addicting, because a lot of times I wake up and head straight for the coffee machine, and without a second thought, I'm drinking coffee when I really didn't even have a taste for it. It's just routine. And I would rather have my routine be a nice cup of fresh juice instead. Something that'll give me energy and something that'll flush out my system and just help me to overall feel better. Because when I drink coffee, like, I don't even drink coffee for the caffeine. I drink coffee just because I like to drink something warm. Pretty much. So I could drink hot cocoa for that. So yeah, I have been thinking very seriously about doing this. And already I can go without eating meat. Like, I don't have to have meat. So I don't think this would be something that's super hard for me to do, but there will be certain things that are going to be hard for me to give up, like dairy, because I love cheese. Like, I love it. Love cheese, okay? And I don't care what nobody say. I don't really believe that there is a legit vegan substitute for actual cheese, but we shall see. I love cheese, so I know that's gonna be another thing that is going to be tough, considering I love me some mac and cheese. Love me some mac and cheese. So yeah, I think that's all I have to say about this. But yeah, if you have any tips on how to transition into veganism, I mean, I know I can go vegetarian first and then transition into vegan, but I don't know. I might do that, but I do want to try this vegan for a week experience, because if I'm gonna do it, I just want to go ahead and do it. I don't want to, you know, slowly go into it and then be able to talk myself out of it. If you have any tips or anything, leave them down below. If you know of any good vegan Instagram pages, tag me in them. Like, seriously. So my battery died and I forgot what in the world I was saying. But yeah. Oh yeah. If you know of any good vegan Instagram pages, make sure you tag me in them. I will not get mad. Please tag me in, because I need all the help, the inspiration, and everything that I can get. Thank you so much for watching, and be on the lookout within, I'll say, probably the next few weeks for this vegan for a week experience of mine. I'm hoping it's good, because I'm just ready to stop feeling like a walking sack of crap. Honestly, like, I'm just tired of feeling the way I feel. I'm tired of feeling sluggish. I'm tired of feeling weighed down and fatigued all the time. I'm just ready. I'm just ready. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see y'all in my next little video. Cheers.